Hello and welcome to the Dynata Trading Series. This video will cover appending new variables to a dataset that's already been uploaded to MarketSight. In this example, we are looking at the dataset containing results from the first phase of a survey. Recently, we received a new dataset with additional questions that we would like to add to the existing dataset. The respondents in the two datasets are the same, but the variables are different. Our goal is to add these new variables to the existing dataset and analyze the data together. To begin, we will right-click on the original dataset's name and select Append Data. We can add our new variables to a copy of the dataset or to the original dataset itself. MarketSight will produce an untouched copy of the dataset with either choice. We will choose to append new variables here. Click on Select to find and select the new dataset on your computer. If the dataset format has an associated label file that can be added using the second Select button. Click Next. Once the data is uploaded, we are prompted with a window showing how many records were successfully added. Click OK to proceed. The next screen shows us several things. First, the top left window shows variables from the new dataset that will be excluded during the append process to avoid duplications. These will be any variables from the new dataset that share the same variable codes as variables in the original dataset. In the top right, we see a list of the variables that will be in the combined dataset. For convenience, the new variables being appended are listed at the top, identified by green circle. In the bottom left, we will see a second list of the variables from the new dataset that share the same variable code as variables in the original dataset. Drag a variable from this box into the lower right to indicate which variable should be used as the unique identifier for the append. Using a unique identifier will enable MarketSight to align records in the two datasets. If the new dataset contains respondents that do not match any original records, they can be included in the combined dataset anyway by checking the checkbox labeled Add Unmatched Record as New Records. If you picture your dataset as a spreadsheet, they will be included as new rows at the bottom of the table. If you check this box, clicking Next will bring you to the Wave Variable page. Otherwise, you will be sent to a Finish page. Click Next to proceed. This screen will only appear if you check the box to add unmatched record as new records. Here, you'll be given the option to create a new wave variable, which is used to help differentiate between the two waves of respondents in the combined dataset. If you come here by mistake, you can skip this option by leaving the default set. If you choose to create a wave variable, an additional option for existing crosstab, charts, dashboards, and data views will appear. We can decide if this will show data from the old dataset, new dataset, or both. We generally want to see both datasets, so we won't make any changes. Let's click Next to move to the last screen. On the Finish page, you can enter a name and description for this new combined dataset. And click Finish to complete the wizard. We can see in the task list that the append is in progress, and once completed, we will see the new combined dataset appear in the datasets page. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.